Welcome back, guys. It's Michael with Over Designs. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing so you don't miss any future content. Today, we're going to be looking at a customer pickup. It's going to show you the process of what it's like to show up, get the camper on your truck, get your tour, and get out the door and ready to hit the trails. And then as well, we're going to look at the camper itself. It's a really cool build, and we're excited to show it off. So when you show up, we're going to hoist up your camper, and then you're going to back straight in here. We're going to place it down, get everything all buttoned up and ready for you to hit the trails. We're going to do a more in-depth look at this camper. It's one of our favorite build patterns. And because it has essentially the Bruin Pro with the turn window on the passenger side, the way we kind of think about it is when you're deciding what your build out should be, you want passenger side accessibility, driver side visibility. So on that passenger side, you have a big window. So when you're backing up, you can look over your shoulder, you can see your blind spot. But then on the driver's side, if you want to get out, you can grab anything from the back of your truck really easily, no worries at all. So looking at this, what comes with the Pro package are you get the 5 windows. So you get window on your access door, the 2 windows on the barn doors. You have your cab side window as well as your passenger side window. And then you get the barn door standard, fan, mattress, all included. And then this access door as well on the driver's side. That's why this is one of our favorite builds. It really has everything you need. Get out there, hit the trails, everything that you'd want in your camper. We're really excited to show it off once it's on the truck. So on the rear side, he got the double barn doors with windows attached on them as well. He got a Molly panel on that passenger side window, and then the 3rd brake light and the max air fan. And then on the driver's side, we have this access door with a window on it. Really great option. You get tons of airflow if you need it. Also that full access. And then on the inside, he has a mosquito net and shade. Makes it so you can pass through that mosquito net, but you still can get that tons of airflow. We have this nice cab side window. It has a center slider, and then the whole thing folds down as well. Gives you a great opportunity to clean off your back windshield, as well as get a lot of pass through, or if you're in a rainstorm, tons of airflow from that. And then over here on the passenger side, we have this nice big turn window. Love the turn window, tons of visibility, built-in shade and screen. It pops out. A lot of cool features on that. And then he elected to have the fan as well. And then on the back side, we have our barn doors, which are a fan favorite, our most popular option by far. Really great, completely removable. So now that it's hoisted up, we're gonna have him back in, place it on his truck, and then we'll get it all buttoned up and ready to go.
My name is Bryan. I'm from Salt Lake City, Utah, and I'm picking up a Oru Bruin Pro. Yeah, my wife and 2 kids are flying out to San Diego tomorrow, and then we'll start driving back over the weekend for a little family getaway. Probably stopping near Vegas to do some rock climbing, and then maybe somewhere in southern Utah, heading north. We used to have a pull-behind camper when the girls were young, and it was nice, but it's just another bigger thing to manage, and we want to have a little bit more of a self-contained thing. Still having access to the truck bed and just changing over. I work as a mountain guide, and sometimes I'm traveling alone, and having a little bit more of a self-contained package that I have all the amenities that'll be nice. And I've been shopping around, and it seems like Oru's kind of offering some of the more cutting edge products out there.
Thanks for tuning in, guys. We really appreciate it. We're going to be showing a lot more of these camper install videos, as well as the cool builds that we have rolling through the shop. As always, please make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. hit that bell icon, and we'll see you in the